start it. So because tomorrow I should trade London by myself. I don't know how to start the stream.
So you see on the top right, we're live now, okay? But on the top right,
Yeah.
there is button saying, yeah, we're live now. There is a button saying end stream. You see it? Like, it's where you can go live. This is where you can go live.
Yeah, we need link. We will make post in Discord and Telegram.
Yeah. Let me send you the link. Okay, I've sent you the link. You can send people. There is 2 people watching currently. So once we post, we can get started.
Not we. But 2 people, it's me and you. Self-watching.
We're watching ourselves.
Yeah.
Okay, there is no one now.
We will make announcement right now. Announcements.
Yeah. Make sure to mention that we will be doing like a giveaway also. Make sure to mention that.
Check DM, please. You see the format? I don't know why it's very, very bad. You have small window and we are very, very small on the stream. You see?
Because we're live on both horizontal and vertical. Let me send you the other one. Wait. Oh no, it's right on the one I shared.
People can see it. It works weird. Like. Yes, this link. That what I saw. It's from Telegram. But if I go YouTube and put the live stream, I have opened. It's 2 types. I got it. Yeah. Okay, it's okay.
What you will be trading today, or you won't be trading?
Today is bank holiday, so that's why I didn't intend to open any positions, but we can make the plan for whole week if it works, of course. Because I see that euro is very interesting. It can be interesting to get positions this week. Let me check gold.
It's always interesting, like these days, to trade gold. To be honest,
Yeah, about gold, I can't tell anything. It's not interesting right now. I
like
don't
trade
like.
gold. You're not interested in gold, you said?
Yeah, it's not chart is does not have any information for me because we're on a global support line right now, weekly support line, and I can share screen. Yeah, maybe
Yeah, you can.
show you how to do it.
You can
Uh,
click on the share screen, and I will add you on stage.
share this screen. Okay, you
I
see?
think people that actually like read our emails. Let me show, because we always talk about how the current situation and war and how Trump is affecting the market. So it would be quite interesting to see what will happen. But as I mentioned, like the people that reads our emails, usually each Sunday we always talk about mainly the last few weeks. It's always about oil, and people can start to notice like how expensive their lives are at the moment because of that, because it always affect the whole market, like even your daily spending, like oil even affect that. So it's a very hot topic at the moment. I People can see your screen, by the way, if you want to talk about something.
Yeah, so about gold, so if we open monthly chart, so we can see that there is no information here. That's why we can go to weekly. What about weekly? Here I see this level, and this is the main support level for me because we see how price works with this level. So we don't buy this, and so it means that here we have resistance. So what it can be, here we have inside bar also. Yeah. So I don't know where price can go up or down then up, but I can see that here we didn't get any not extensions. I forgot this word. Sorry. Expansions. Yeah.
Expansion, yeah.
No expansion. Yeah.
Mhm.
Here we get this reaction. Here we worked with liquidity, so it can be interesting to work to short. In this case, didn't get any aggressive movement because here we have this support line. So what we can get, it's not easy to say. For me, there are a lot of ideas how price can go, but let's check daily chart. It can be interesting also. From the daily, what we see, so the price can't go down, and for me, of course, this previous week high will be the first target where I can work. But we didn't get this aggressive reaction, and it's also not very good for me. That's why I don't like to trade this. This is futures chart. So what we can see here, nothing for me. I don't like this chart. That's why I'm not going to trade it. Because here we also have resistance. Here we have support. So price is in range. And what we can do, we should wait to work with previous week low, previous week high. So it's not interesting for me. But if we check euro, it's much more interesting if we start working from monthly chart. We see how here we get aggressive expansion. If you see this stuff, let me show. Here we have this block. This is the resistance block. Yes, we have good liquidity pools here. Of course, this is also liquidity pool, and in future this is also liquidity pool. So it means that probably one day we will get this one, like expansion here. But what we can see here we get consolidation, manipulation, and distribution. Yeah. And see that this is the resistance, and we can go up more. So for me, euro looks like we go in short first, and then probably we will get already this move. It will be like that. This is my plan for nearest months. So I'm intending to work in short. Let me tell you where I can. Yeah, I think it will be like here. If we try to find any lines here, symmetric lines that I trade, I see this level. Yeah, I like this level. You see how price works with this level. So probably we will get their long move from this. It's in my POI below 0.5 Fibonacci. So my plan is go trade to short on euro, and then I'm going to trade long from this level. So, and it's information only from monthly. What we see weekly, from weekly, I see break of structure, but it's only one. It doesn't mean anything. Here we get reaction, very aggressive reaction. You see, we fulfill this imbalance, and here we get reaction. It was small accumulation. Let's go daily. It will look much more better. So what we have here, so we worked with this liquidity, get a reaction, wouldn't go up, and that's why we go down. So what I would to tell, and this is my plan, I'm waiting the price moving like this week. First we go up, and if I come back to weekly chart, what I see here, I see one symmetric level. It's here. It's not easy to. I'm writing a lot of lines. Sorry. I can't find. Sorry. Let me remove this one. We will keep this one like that. Yeah. It's approximately level for me. It's 17000 level, so it's rounded level, and probably this week we will get the long, and then we will get short. So that is my plan for euro. I'm not sure that I'm going to take part in longs this week, but maybe if we will give some model. What we have here, first of all, we have gap, and I will not take any trades because of this gap. I want to see go down and then go up. Then here maybe I'll take long if I'll get the model, because here we are getting something like accumulation for me. We see that here we have like resistance. Price can go down, try and can go down. So here we couldn't update the low, so probably we will get long. So this is my plan for euro, and it looks very, very nice. You have any thoughts about it? John? Joe, are you here? Нет моего экрана. Okay, Joe first will come back. So this is my plan. Something with internet. You hear me?
Do you usually trade on Mondays, by the way?
No, I prefer skipping, I saw that a lot of people are in chat. I didn't see anyone. I see that studio
Yeah.
chat is open to people, and they're sorry guys. Yeah, I didn't see your. How to see how many people have right now?
We
I
can
don't.
put them on screen, by the way, if you want.
No, I just want to know how many people is it. По знаку будь торговля.
Look,
Oh,
you can see them
it
on the
is one
screen.
holiday. Sometimes the best trading is not open in any position. 100%.
By the way, we're live not only on YouTube, we're live on Kick as well. If you guys prefer Kick, like it's also possible to watch us on Kick. We'll be streaming there.
Yeah, today's opening stream. Honestly, we were intending to tell more about this TV, how it will look like, how it works, what we will show about schedule and etc. So this is the main idea. Yeah, that's why today we will not. I think we will not open any trades. But
Yeah.
just a little
Also,
bit.
the activities are coming. Like me and Clem, we're not professional live streamers. It's our first live stream, so potentially we're getting there. We're getting there.
Yeah, tomorrow I'll trade London Open. So if you want, you can connect. So it will be interesting, I think, this week. Probably because previous week was awful. I saw that a lot of people was losing their deposits. Yeah. Hope this week will be good.
So last week, a lot of people breached their accounts.
What?
Last week, there were a lot of people that breached their account.
Yes.
A lot of
there
account breaches. Why do you think this happened?
people lost because from Wednesday to Friday, market was unpredictable 100%, and it was not easy to trade because price. If we check the chart, yeah. For example, gold. So there, I don't know how to tell. Everyone get
Liquidated, yeah.
liquidated, yeah. And it's like to tell it soft, because it sounds very, very bad. Sorry, this is futures chart. It's not very. I'll change. Yeah, better.
I think this week we will also have very unpredictable and very sudden spikes because as you see, if you're reading updates about the war, it's very unpredictable, and each few hours the index fear is changing because it's a different talk. So yesterday they were talking about an agreement that both parties arrived to do something, and we woke up today saying that it's not happening. So I'm expecting market to react very unpredictably this week because of this news.
Yeah, but there is one argument that it can be predictable, but of course I'm not sure that it's the end of May. So this is the last week before summer, before everyone go vacation. And if previous week was very unpredictable, what I told you about, check just Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You see, we didn't move. We didn't get any expansion. We didn't get nothing. You see,
was ranging. Yeah,
Party just in this range, and someone tried short, got stopped. tried long, got stuck. So it was very just these spikes. So Wednesday was blowing off the long traders, and then the rest we was blowing off the short traders. So that's what I would to tell. That's why maybe this week we will get some interesting moves on the market. I hope, because I'm intending to take part, because whole previous week I was skipping.
Yeah.
Oil also, you see.
Yeah, same here.
Monday till Thursday, we were updating the lows. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Crazy. Let's check Bitcoin. Maybe someone traded. Sorry, I removed. But let me check. It's very old draw, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, it worked like I wrote.
As
it was like
anticipated, yeah.
Yeah, we updated the slow, but I was waiting it a little bit higher in 0.5 Fibonacci, but we get this move before we achieved it. So let's check Bitcoin. I really love this active. Guys, someone invest to Bitcoin. Maybe you are holding. Please tell us. You are interested. Do you trade futures on it, or you prefer just holding on spot? So it looks not very nice, you know. So what we get last, we get this expansion. Then we came back, took the slow. Here we had very long accumulation. I remember this time.
Yeah.
But very interesting. But you see how it's very high, you know. We didn't get any good correction inside. We just was accumulating here and got there. That's why this level, also this, I see. We can see that. I'll write here. Sorry, I can put like this. Of course, it can be wider, so it doesn't make sense. You see that this level is very important, and what we are getting here, we was trying to go up, but couldn't, of course, and we got this big expansion, and we work with liquidity here before took this liquidity. And what we see here, also we are getting same, we're getting order flow. Also, if we check Fibonacci, it looks very nice because we were in point of interest. So that's why Bitcoin short can be interesting for us in long-term perspective. Let's check smaller chart, low LTF. Here we got a reaction because of this breaker block, but we couldn't get continuation. So let's check further. So I think Bitcoin is not trend active now, you know, and also I saw that a lot of people go out from the crypto. Some of them stop trading, some of them start trading gold, because gold is more interesting, you know, right now, because it's trend active. I remember just maybe 1.5 years ago, it was not like mainstream, like it was not mainstreamly, you know, to trade gold, because it was very technical, but it didn't give very big moves like right now. So what we see from LTF, I'll remove this one. I don't like this chart. We are going
up. What I noticed with Bitcoin, specifically Bitcoin, is that it tends to work on PA a lot better, like on technical analysis way better than the other coins. And at one time, when I used to trade Bitcoin like 2 years ago, it it worked exactly like the technical analysis that it was we were doing on it. Not sure about these times, but Bitcoin was always moving at very specific price action. Like you can see, there is key levels. They always respect it. So it would be nice if people would trade like technical analysis on Bitcoin specifically.
Yeah, it's exactly correct, I think, because why we got this move? Why this we got this? Because the Quark start buying it, and we got ETF. That's why we have institutional money in this asset. That's why it will move very very technically. Yeah. Ethereum. Also, we can check it. Just updated our all-time high. I'll put like this. Have this. It's like triangle, you know. And there it will be one day, I think. I'm not holder of Ethereum, you know. I hold other, not shitcoins. I sold all my let's say bad assets and put it to hype. If you know this,
Yeah.
It's very very trendy.
It's hyper liquid.
Yes, it's hyper liquid, and I was buying it from here all this time. You see, I also have these levels. It was my idea to let me show you better. It's maybe weekly chart. Yeah. I put this level and told myself that I'll buy right here, and I was buying here, and it was going down, and I'm buying here. All this I was buying here. So I have a lot of, and my average entry point is 24, like this from here. So this is spot. It's futures. Yeah, that's why I have
2.5 something.
Yeah, it's X. What? Why it doesn't work?
By the way, that one, Roku, what services are best for a beginner to learn, and what book should I read? What would you tell him?
A book about trading?
Yeah, like he's saying that he's a beginner. How can he learn trading technically? That's his question.
About books, honestly, I didn't read a lot of books, but one book about trading, what I read, I think it's one of the most popular. It's Mark Douglas, Zone Trading, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and this book is about psychology. Let me check the name properly because I have this book in my phone. In Russian, it's Zonalny Trading. It's Zone Trading in English, I think, because I don't know how to tell it in English, but probably it's Zone Trading. But
would you would you tell him like it's better to read books or to do something else, like to learn trading? Like he's a beginner, so it's better like to watch YouTube maybe or something. We can't hear you.
I think you can mix. Books will, but honestly, what I can tell, all popular books in trading, they were written a lot of time ago. Some of them 10 years ago, some of them 20 years ago, and the approach that these people are writing about in this book, it's a little bit old because now we're having a lot of new strategies like price action, market profiles, ICT, the smart money, and etc. So, and these people have knowledge, and it's a little bit old, I think, because now we have more like maybe easier. We have easier strategies, but of course we can argue a little bit because for me, technical analysis and smart money, for example, it's almost same terms, but different terms, but their meaning is the same. That's why. So yeah, that's why for newbie, I would prefer to trade more to make back tests. It's very important, and of course, the best way is to use prop firms because you can trade demo, and you will not feel this responsibility. If you trade your own, account, your own money, it can be not very good because not probably 100%, first time you will lose all your money that you put to your account. And prop firm is it's in the middle, so it's not your own deposit, it's less, but it's not full demo because you pay, but you pay small fee. And that's why using prop firms is very, very good for newbie. So you can find any mentor, any maybe courses, try these courses, try to understand, and then you can go and train. It will not cost a lot. This is my opinion.
Yeah, I totally agree because
Yeah,
if you want to budget some money to learn trading, you can't really do it with the regular way with brokers because like you'll have to open at least few $100s to be able to open some trades. Like with prop firms with us mainly, we can get started for like $40. This could be you can you can have like that monthly, and like it could cost you like $40 to learn trading per month, you know. So if you budget like your money in a good way, prop firms are a way better solution, especially for beginners to learn trading, like the less expensive way. But definitely as you scale, we definitely recommend like let's say you max out your accounts with us or something, like opening an account with the profits made with prop firms is usually a good idea when you become a profitable trader. But before that, for beginners, in order to learn prop trading, the cheapest, and like it's also like you will have better risk management due to the prop firm rules. So definitely it's a go as a beginner.
Yes, 100%. I agree with you.
Also, related to understanding the market and everything, I would highly advise you to go on our website and get in the newsletter because we do a lot of analysis about the markets, usually many times per week, and we send it to all our traders that are inside the newsletter. So if you are looking to become a better trader, understand what's happening in the market, more about not only about technicals that you will be seeing here, like in order to read and get daily updates, mainly about how the market is moving and the news, what is affecting the market. Our newsletter is a very good way also to learn. You will get the emails.
Let's check. PVP also, I forgot about this. Oh. Just imagine 1985, you know. And we took this. Just imagine to open position here, here with stop loss. And in 40 years, he got stop loss. Just imagine you put money and you're waiting for you take profit maybe here, and you wait. Maybe you're already not in this life, you know. And your son one day and see
Like
this.
your grandsons will open someday like the closet and they will see like a paper reading like I have an an open GPP position in the 80s.
Yeah, just imagine the swap. How he paid for swap.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and imagine like you still have it open and your grandsons will have to pay for the loss someday if it keeps on getting down, you know?
Yeah. So Euro we have short idea, global short idea, yeah, or it's global long idea. Depends, yeah. Yeah, in daily it's short and months. What about week? Yeah, weekly short. Let's check Dixie first, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and chart. So, what we have? This chart is a little bit dirty, you know. I don't like the XY chart. It's not easy to make analysis here, but I can try. And honestly, I can't tell anything from this chart. You just
Do you usually look into the XY before like taking a EURUSD trade, or it's not affecting your decisions mainly?
I check, but it's just additional idea about the XY, because better
Just
if
to
we
see like the trend or something?
yeah, sometimes we're getting SMT. For example, your Euro trade can be closed by take profit, but GBP will not achieve this level. It will be SMT, and it's not very good. No, I can't tell anything. So, but I
Yeah.
told that we are going to get short. If it's true, probably Dixie should go up. And wait, so I'm puzzled a little bit. Yeah, Euro short. So Dixie should be long. We can put like here. Yeah, it's same like Euro. Here we get this. Yeah, same. Like here also we'll get short, but it's long for Dixie. This is the nearest liquidity. This is the in inducement here. So let's check. It's monthly. I'm taking very big time frames because I prefer taking swing trades. So we can say, but 1, 2. Yeah, it's same like Euro, but better to take this one. Like this one. 1, 2, 3. Booms. Break of structure. Fulfilled imbalance. Absorption. Correction. Absorption. Yeah, this is the target. Same like Euro. 100% I'll take here. Yeah, but how? 1 USD, 1 GBP. Prop sounds very interesting and tempting. Thanks for answering. So Joe, but what you can tell, what you would advise to newbie in trading? For example, I'm a new trader. I just know it from social media networks. I saw this guy with Lamborghini, so and I want to learn how to do it. So what you can advise?
For new traders that never that firstly don't know anything about trading, I would firstly advise you to to understand what is trading, because usually when I'm talking about myself, either or the first time I open the chart on TradingView, and you will see all these charts, colors up, and the colors the green color and the red color popping up each second, and the market moving up and down, like you would feel like you're in a spaceship and you don't understand anything. So it could be like a very overwhelming thing to see it. So I would advise them to start by understanding what is trading, how you can make money out of trading when you buy and sell the things. If you already know about that, I would also advise them to start to take a look into the strategies. Once you understand what is the candle, what is the wick, what is everything. That's, I'm talking if you're completely a newbie. And once you understand that, I would be thinking now about the strategy, how you would be able to trade the market, when to get in, how to get out, what's your style, what would be your style. It would preferably, there is few mentors that actually are good mentors out there. I'm not gonna mention their names, but definitely there is good people out there that you can learn trading from them. You can also you can also like learn from this TV, because we'll mainly talk about what's affecting the market, about trading strategies. You can like see our live streams. This would help a lot as well. And the last thing I would look into, after you understand what is trading, how you can open and close positions using the trading platforms in the CFD space. Now that you understand a little bit about the strategy, I would advise people to take a look into the funded way and try to the smallest account. Definitely for newbies, I would always suggest them to start with the smallest account, or to try out what is a prop firm, to know a bit more about the rules, how they can trade it, etc. And budget a monthly amount. For example, based on your salary, I would say like 10-15% of it can go towards evaluations, to understand how you can trade profitably. And it could take you some time, but if you stay consistent enough, like we see how people that started trading like since coronavirus, mainly most of the traders, now they are making a lot of money, and they are full-time traders. So sometimes they only work for like 15 minutes per day. So if, let's say, they trade the London session, they got in a profitable trade, and their strategy tell them to stop trading for the day. That's all that these people do. So it's so that's what I would say mainly for new traders. Like that's the best way to do. And I would say like watch Clem trade mainly each Tuesday, because Clem is one of the traders that I saw from my eyes that he's actually profitable, and he actually knows how the market works and everything, because we see a lot of traders here in the funded way. So it's not very stressful, man. It's not very stressful. I made it look very stressful. Sorry. It's not very stressful. You'll enjoy it. So once you understand how trading works, there is like, it's a very unique business, I would say. So it's very fun. It's not very stressful.
So it depends on your relation to it,
Yeah.
Yes.
You can't be depending on trading. For example, like you can't like say, I will quit everything and start trading. That's not how it works. So you can do it alongside your job. So it wouldn't be as stressful as you think. Or I made it seem very stressful. I didn't mean that.
Yes. So bank holiday. Nice bank holiday.
Yeah, like our first day of streaming, and it's a bank holiday. We can't do anything. But yeah, like it's just like to tell people we're there, we're starting, and 1 month from now, we'll be able to trade with everyone in the chat as well. the chat would be able to trade. That's what we can say for now.
2 weeks ago, I took part in one live stream with one influencer. Some guys from chat, I think, saw this interview. It was like interview with me, and it was great. Yeah, but what I liked more, it took like 2 hours, and then we continue speaking, but in informal area. Let's say it took 3 hours. We was drinking, and discussing about life, about trading, about everything. So it was very, very good. No, I really liked it. So maybe probably in future we will make same way. Just start stream on Friday, Friday evening, and to try to think up something interesting. Yeah,
Definitely.
Guys, it's tea. It's tea.
Tea is delicious these days.
Yeah, 40 degree.
Craft tea, man.
Yeah. So for week we have plan. About gold we will wait some more information, as I told. Dixie we checked. Oil we have plan. So for cryptos I don't know. Honestly, I don't remember when I last time opened my crypto. I don't know. It's like my crypto trading terminal.
Where do you
Because
trade it, by the way?
it was Max.
Ah,
Chinese, Chinese. I don't know how to tell. It's application Max.
yeah.
I don't know how in English. I know in Russian it's Birja, but in English I don't know how to tell. How to tell, Joe? For example, this Max. What is it? It's market, like. What?
I didn't understand your question.
I mean, you see this application, where I can trade from my phone.
Okay.
Max, what is it? It's crypto market or what? Because I tried to translate this word from Russian, birja, and I couldn't find, or maybe I don't remember this word.
If you Google it and you try to translate what is the word that comes
It
up,
will be market.
it
Let
it
me
would be
check.
market,
Stock exchange.
stock
Real
exchange.
or yours.
So you
On
mean
the
the
Birja.
you mean the exchange that you trade on? That's what you mean?
For example, stock exchange. For example, New York Stock Exchange. It means New Yorkская биржа. But криптовалютная биржа, crypto exchange. So, but for Russians, crypto exchange, it's exchange when you change money. I give you dollars, you give me.
Yeah. It's also
But in
called crypto
English, it's
exchange.
crypto exchange.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah. Like in Russian, you mean like the actual thing is called exchange because you're exchanging crypto for fiat or something. But the app, example, Binance or KuCoin and whatever, if it's not a wallet, it's called an exchange. You can trade on it and hold positions and trade futures, crypto. So it's called an exchange, yeah.
So now we know. Exchange, stock market exchange, crypto exchange. Let's check indices maybe. FXTM, Pepperstone. Maybe we'll find something interesting. Also. But honestly, indices are not interesting. You just see this. I don't know how to trade stuff. Just
what do
long every day or it's months. Okay, let's check week. Every week push long. Just this. I don't know what is it. How to work with it. 30k points. Crazy. It was consolidation here, long time. We got manipulation, now we get expansion. So it sounds like price discovery. Yeah. So guys, do you have any ideas where we going? Because I like it, you know. So just imagine, I think we can take long and never close it. And it will go. This is nice.
What a nice chart, yeah?
Yeah. Bitcoin can't show this. Nasdaq can.
Imagine if you're trying to sell that for the last few days.
And you was the margin.
Yeah, and you're adding positions because you saw a post on Twitter saying that it will crash and it's the end.
Dex, mix, Dex. Yeah, DEX, it means crypto exchange. So that's why I think we need to long for 100 lots right now. Wow. 100 lots of gold.
You need to long with 100 lots right now. Yeah, if your account allows that, definitely. Great idea. Great idea.
It will be more interesting once we are going really live, we'll do real trading. And for example, you have open position. It will be very good emotions. So that's all assets that I check.
Mm-hmm.
So all these tabs are made a long time ago. So if you saw when I opened today, it was like white screen, some seconds here, because I didn't open these charts a lot of time. Only gold and euro. Because I don't know how can I trade this. It's oh
Yeah,
this
look,
year. Some lines
always.
here was like it was 1 year ago. Not 1 year ago.
What?
It was previous year. It was the previous year.
The last time you saw the chart, yeah. But look, trading all-time high is always very difficult because there is nothing to base your current price on, because it can go sideways, it can go up, and if it goes down, then there is levels to watch for. But on all-time highs, it's the first time the price attend this level, so it's very hard to predict and know how to manage your positions.
Yeah. But there is one way how to do it. But honestly, I don't remember how to do it. But I'll try to explain. Some people are using Fibonacci in this case. Also, one guy, he's trading his own approach in range. He calls it I don't remember how he called it. Like, let me think. I don't remember. It's not symmetric levels. Let me find the dialogue with him.
Doesn't always have to move them, does it? Yeah, it's a bank holiday, so usually the markets are very, very, very slow. And usually we advise people not to get into trades today because there is less volatility than the regular days. So yeah.
Deviations.
What is it?
Deviations.
Deviation?
Deviations. Yeah, I don't remember all this. Let me check one more thing. I don't remember all rules, but the idea was to find the range. For example, this range. I don't know what he put, but
Mhm.
like he put high low, put
Mhm.
Fibonacci inside this range,
Mhm.
and he also had, but it's my config of this Fibonacci, so he had levels
Mhm.
higher
Higher
and
levels,
lower.
yeah.
And was the idea that there is some level here or here that we are getting deviation, and then we are going to come back to this range
Mhm.
of these levels.
Yeah.
He was making trading very, very successful. I don't know where he is now. We don't. I didn't try him a lot of time. Yeah, but it was very interesting. So how to trade these ranges, because everyone are getting I getting stop loss here, but this guy making like this, and it's interesting. I don't know why I remember about it. But someone, I think everyone finds something interesting for himself on the market, because I think as many people you know, as many strategies they have. Because everyone trades something like something unique, you know. I know one guy, he usually use every month he adds something to his strategy and remove
Yeah.
previous. He added market profile. After 2 months he removed it, connect like some indicator for C, like I don't remember for what. Then he removed this indicator, took like profile from futures, and every month or every 2 months he's removing something from his strategy and adding some indicators, something like that. So he's keep moving. Don't trade one strategy. Bank holiday doesn't always seem to have good movements, does it? Of course, because there is not a lot of liquidity inside the market. That's why we will not get very, very big moves. Only in crypto we can, because I remember in crypto on weekends crypto likes to make some movements, some manipulations. But for forex market, yeah, it's not easy to do. That's why bank holiday sometimes gives some maybe some trades, but I don't like to trade. What assets do you mainly trade? For me, I think now it's only euro and gold. Before also I traded, as you see, GR40, Nasdaq, sometimes S&P also, British pound, Bitcoin, Ethereum also I traded. But now these assets almost all are not interesting. But euro, it's classic because the volume of this market, of this trading assets, like 1 trillion per one day. That's why it's very, very high liquidity asset. That's why it's very good. Just to compare, for example, on British pound, the volume is like 500 millions dollars. Oh, not millions, milliards. Yeah, milliards. or no. Yeah, it's correct. 1 trillion of volume. Yeah.
Also, the most traded asset and the funded way is always gold, no? More like
Yeah.
most of the months.
65% of trades, it's gold.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Like,
one lot is 100 how.
Mhm.
That's why $1 from one lot gives you like 100 PNL. That's why people like it.
Yeah, you need like few moves to be able to make like some good money. So most of the people will trade gold. Like you would see like less people nowadays that are only trading Euro USD, for example, or GU or any other trade, any other pair in the CFD space. But gold, like it's always consistent. Most of the people will trade gold. Do you think like gold is very beginner friendly, or like for beginners it's always better to trade Euro USD, for example?
For beginners,
Yeah, for beginners.
I think it doesn't make sense, because sometimes euro is very, very bad. Its behavior very bad. So sometimes you can't understand why this move was got. So
On gold,
say
if-
gold, but gold
Mhm.
every day I think doing this stuff. Euro sometimes is very, very predictable, but gold also I think it doesn't make sense. Any asset, it's market. So, and as Douglas told, so you will never know what will happen in the next few minutes in the market. So I had one interesting situation. I'll tell you about it now. I was trading my own deposit. It was like maybe half year ago. It was London, so I saw very good opportunity. I had planned to open this trade, so I opened 2 or 3 lots of gold. I don't remember actually. And what I do always, open trade. Sometimes I put stop loss, but sometimes I open trade and then I go and put stop loss. Like, it takes like 10-15 seconds maybe. So because I know where to put it, and sometimes I see good entry point, I tap and then I put stop loss. So, and what I got, I opened 3 lots of gold, tap to this trade, start writing the stop loss. I write, put OK, and it's not put in. So I come back and see that my position was liquidated. I open the chart, and there was 1 minute candle for maybe $50-$60. So I was liquidated. It was my, I don't remember where was my last liquidation, but it was in crypto maybe 3 or 4 years ago. And so just imagine me the time, because it was very, very bad, I felt like
Yeah.
I'm not professional. I'm just a newbie who just tried to do something and was, I don't know, was kicked off. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very
It
bad.
happens for
Very bad.
everyone, by the way. I never heard like a trader that became profitable, and they always have like a very similar story to tell, and it's always very funny to say like, yeah, 2 3 years ago I did something I'm not very proud of.
But it's experience also.
Yeah, definitely. Like you would know, like you won't be doing the same mistakes, and you wouldn't be feeling the same emotions that you felt like the last time it happened. So it definitely works. Is Joe an A-book trader? What do you mean an A-book trader, man?
It means that you are a trader I
You
invited
mean
you.
like with the funded way, or do I have an own account? Like it could a book trader can mean a lot of things, you know?
I saw that in our firm.
Yeah, I think he's referring to the funded way. Not sure.
I think Joy
Not
is the
sure.
trader in NFT.
Hopefully tomorrow we'll have some action so people would be able to see some live trades going on. And the next live streams, everyone will be an ebook trader, maybe.
Guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to answer. So as you see today, we opened 0 positions. I hope you too, but if you have, maybe you have open positions, just guys, if someone have, just tell us which position you open, if you want, of course. Or maybe you can tell us any asset that we can check. Maybe you are interested, so we can check, of course, because nothing to do today. No positions.
Anyway, guys, before we start to end this live stream, if you guys have any question, like it's now time to ask them. And this is the first live stream. It would be the first of many. For now, we're starting each Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. We'll be live streaming. Me, I will be doing Monday, Thursday, the New York session, same timing as today. Clem would be doing the Tuesday show on the London Open. Many things will be coming. Make sure to always share the live stream with your friends so we can grow and you'll be able to give out more for the community. And each live stream, if we have to say something new about the funded way, it will definitely be here. And the guys that will be constantly watching this live stream would be always up to date with the funded way changes, and they would have the info about any discount or any new feature that we'll have before everyone else. So it's like a small bonus to attend these live streams. And yeah, it was, I would say it was a successful first live stream, and we will definitely see you in the upcoming days and the upcoming weeks.
I think I'll close the chart, yeah.
So yeah, we'll see you guys. Have a nice trading week, and we'll see you tomorrow with Clem. Bye bye.
You guys, bye. Have a nice day.